Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can make money from TikTok trading videos. This is real. You can start making money even from today. Okay, please remember to watch this video to the end because I will show you step by step so that you will not miss any step. Okay, so you'll not be running back asking us some questions, please. Okay, now TikTok, a lot of people are making money from TikTok, but I will show you how you can even make more money. It's not TikTok that will pay you, but I will show you how you can use TikTok viral videos and make cool cash. You can make up to $22 per video. Now imagine watching 10 videos. Now, or in fact, without wasting time, because you know in most of my videos I don't like telling stories. I always like going straight to the point. Okay, so let's just go straight to the point on how you can make money. But before that, you can see how much people have actually earned in one day. Okay, this is just one day. This is September 9, 2023. This is earning from different people. Guys, some people have even earned $47, some earn $22, some earn $15, some earn $3. It depends. So you also will be making cool cash for yourself using the same method I'll be showing you in these videos. Now, the first step you need to do is go to TikTok with your mobile phone or laptop. Yes, then search for viral videos. Now, once you see any viral video that is trending, for example, let's take a look at this Mbappe viral video. This video actually gotten millions of views on TikTok. Now, what I'm going to do is to copy the link of this video, but remember, you are going to delete. Please, like I said, you're going to delete starting from the question mark. You can see what I'm doing there. Starting from the question mark, you will delete back. Okay, now the remaining write-ups, you are going to copy the remaining link. But remember to delete from the question mark, copy the remaining link. Now, the next destination you are going to go is a website. This website is a website that will be paying you. They can pay you up to $100 in a day, depending on how people click on your link. And that website is shrinkme.io. Yes, this website has been paying a lot of people. So many bloggers, even if you go to YouTube, you will see some shortened links. Yes, they don't want to tell you they are making money from this website. So many popular celebrities are using this website to generate huge amount of money for themselves. Okay, now once you click on any particular link they post on their Instagram, anywhere, they are making cool cash of money without you knowing. Now this website, it is free. You can sign up. It's a global website. Now what you're going to do once you sign up on this website is to paste that link, that TikTok link that you generated. Now, once you paste this link, they are going to generate a new link for you. Now, the link which they generated for you is the link you will use to earn money. Now, if you post this link anywhere and someone clicks on that link to watch that TikTok video, this company will be paying you. Although the owner of that video on TikTok will be gaining based on that you are sending in traffic towards that video. Of course, they're making their own money. You are also making your own money from a trending video. Now, what are we going to do now is the next thing is that we are actually going to go to Pinterest because we need traffics. Go to Pinterest, create an account with Pinterest if you don't have one. Create one, generate new pin. Now, the next thing you're going to do is that Pinterest might not accept the shrinkme.io link. So, what are we going to do? The next thing we are going to do is to go to the next website, okay? Which is what? bit.ly.com. Now, bit.com will shorten the link from shrinkme.io. Paste that link there. You can see the new link they are going to give you, generate for you. This is the link we are going to use for Pinterest. All we are going to do is go back to that viral video, then screenshot the video. Okay, screenshot whatever you're seeing there, then the title of that video which attracted millions of people, like this Mbappe own, you can see it, the millions of people. The title of that video, we are going to use the same title, but remember to give credit to the owner of the TikTok video. Just type credit, type the name of the type TikTok, then the name of the account, the name of the owner. That's all. You are good to go. Then we are going to paste that link. Once we are clicked on generate no pin on Pinterest, we want to post. Now, next we are going to do is to go to Canvas because we want to get a good thumbnail that will attract people on Pinterest to click on that link and definitely to lead them to TikTok where they can watch that video. Now when you go to Canvas, you are going to go to Pinterest. Okay, start on Pinterest pin. You can see Pinterest pin. You can see different already designed, but we can click on generate new one. Then we are going to copy that screenshot. We are going to screenshot that video of Mbappe on TikTok. We are going to use same screenshot to fill in into this space, just like I did like right now. Okay, then we go back to Pinterest and we paste the link from Bitly. Okay, then we use that picture, that thumbnail that we designed on Canva, okay, to has our own thumbnail on Pinterest. Once we do that, we put a title and we publish this pin. Now once people visit Pinterest and search for videos, once people visit, let's say Mbappe top 10 goals, top 10 powerful goals, people are like, wow, Mbappe top 10 powerful, they want to watch. Once they click on that video, next thing it will take them to TikTok where they will watch that video. You will make at least $3.50 per 1,000 clicks. Yes, per 1,000 views, you will make at least $3.50. This is amazing, right? Wow. Now it depends on the country you are. Some country earn up to $22 per 1,000 views. Yes, that is why even on the front page of this website, they said that you can earn up to $222 per 10,000 views, because it is the highest based on the country. Okay, based on the country. Now, other countries, you can see list of countries and the amount of money you can earn once people click on it on laptop or on their mobile phone. Now, for a country like Nigeria and most African countries and Asia countries, or any other country that is on the list of the country that you're seeing here, you earn at least, you can see there, $3.50 per 1,000 views. Now imagine having about 10,000 clicks per day. That is about $35 you are earning. Now let's assume you have up to 50 or 100 links you have generated from shrinkme.io using viral videos, trending videos of animals, pets, videos of sports, videos of top comedies, top comedians. Now imagine the kind of money you will make once people are clicking on Pinterest. Or not just Pinterest, you can still look for other social media. It must be on Facebook. Okay, it must be on Facebook. You are posting on your Facebook page or your Facebook, or yes, you are posting on Instagram or on your WhatsApp, and people wants to watch. You will accumulate a lot of money before the end of 1 month. You can earn over 1,000. Some celebrities earn over $5,000. Some earn over $10,000. While some, the top celebrities, earn up to $50,000 with just this website in 1 single month. These are some secrets most celebrities won't tell you. They always post links asking you to click on this link to check on this. Some of them, most time, will just look for something they want to, please, I have an information, just click and read this to help you. But definitely you will see something like Bitly. Yes, they actually use ShrinkMe to generate pin, then go to Bitly and then generate new pin and post it on their page. Once you click and watch, they are making good amount of money for themselves. So this is how you can make cool cash for yourself using TikTok videos. Okay, so you can also do the same thing in different links. It could be blog posts, it could be any link that you know you can generate with shrinkme.com. But please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos. Now if you have any question about this video, definitely I will always be there to put you through, to guide you through. Please share this video because it might be of help for someone out there. Okay, and like I said, why you need to subscribe to this channel, we are going to be releasing many ways you can make cool cash every month online. You can see this as a side hustle. You must not leave your present jobs or business to do this. These are things you can do at let's say every night or every weekend. It's a side hustle. So please remember, this is good and this is a good thing for you to subscribe here, because we are going to be releasing videos that you will love, videos that will earn you cool cash. Once again, thank you for stopping by.